you guys waiting this whole time? April? Steven, April?
So are you gonna try and grow something there?
No, I keep forgetting to shave.
Can you grow it right here?
Give me your phone, I'll put a reminder in it. No, beat in the morning. Shave. Felicia said to shave.
I'm gonna send you a voice message.
I will never answer my phone from you. Ever!
For agreeing with us?
Are you guys just gonna chill outside?
He knew about it. JR knew that was
No, he didn't. This was all.
JR, you knew about this?
No, I didn't.
Ooh.
Are you filming this?
Yes.
She's
Yeah,
filming the whole
I
thing.
know. It's gonna go on Facebook. You better be glad Pastor did not get in his van.
We wouldn't have let him.
Pastor wouldn't have been able to anyways. That much room above me.
I was wondering if she's still filming. I'm like, it's over.